Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to export from Postman. First, launch your Postman application and find the collection or environment you wish to export. Look for the three dots or ellipses menu positioned right next to the name of your chosen item. A simple click on these three dots will open a convenient drop-down menu, presenting you with various management options for your Postman data. This is the first crucial step in securing your valuable work. Once the drop-down menu appears, you'll see an export option. Click on it to proceed. If you are exporting a collection, Postman will typically ask you to select a format. The recommended and most common choice is Collection version 2.1, ensuring broad compatibility. For environments, the process is even simpler, as they usually export directly as a JSON file without requiring a format selection. This streamlined step makes exporting your configurations quick and easy. After selecting your export options, a standard File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This is where you choose exactly where you want to save your exported Postman data. Make sure to give your file a descriptive name and confirm that it ends with the correct .json extension. Finally, click the Save button to finalize the process, securely storing your collection or environment on your local machine. To ensure everything worked perfectly, navigate to the folder where you saved your file and confirm its presence. It's a good practice to regularly export your Postman collections and environments. This acts as a vital backup, protecting your hard work. For even greater security and collaboration, consider integrating your Postman data with a version control system. This allows you to track every change and revert if necessary, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.